Hello friends, welcome to Student Impulse. First of all, thanks for being in my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss job openings in Hyderabad for various positions. I will be covering variety of industries such as hospitals, educational institutions, software companies, such as like that. I will be releasing a video every week on job openings. There is a job opening at St. Little Teresa's High School. They wanted experienced teachers fluent in English to teach mathematics for higher classes. Immediately contact principal St. Little Teresa's High School, Sarda Nagar, Safilguda, Malkazgiri. They provide the contact number, you can contact here. Sloka International School has some openings. And they are hiring for CBSE and IGCSE trained and qualified teachers with excellent communication for pre-primary, primary, high school. They provided the email ID and the phone number also. You can share your resume or else you can contact on the given phone number. I have provided the official website link and the address details here. Gayatri Industries, officially EDOR. They have openings for a receptionist, female with a minimum 2 years of experience. Qualification is degree, English medium. Contact Gayatri Doors Private Limited, Hapsiguda. And they provide the email ID and phone number as well. You can share your resume on this email ID or you can contact on phone number. I have provided the official website link and address details here. Next, there is a job opening at Southern Plantates Private Limited, Balanagar, Hyderabad. They require nearby Balanagar people and they require below position married male or female, stock inventory manual, computer operator, 5 years of experience required, telecaller, accountant, tally package, 5 years of experience required, senior sales coordinator. You can share your resume at the provided email ID and you can have a look at the official website and the address details. Next, there is a job opening at Asian Institute of Gastroenterology Private Limited. They urgently requires technicians for sample collection and microbiology with BSc, MLT, TMLT, MLT. You can contact Mrs. Indira on the given phone number or else you can share your resume at the provided email ID. I have shared the official website link and address details here. Next, there is a job opening at Nightingale Hospital, which is located at Santosh Nagar. They want DMOs to work at Nightingale Hospital, and they provide the contact number and email ID. You can share your resume on this email ID or you can contact on the given phone number. I have provided the address details of Nightingale Hospital here. Next, Army College of Dental Sciences has openings. They require dental department senior lecturers, periodontics, oral medicine and radiology lecturers BDS. Qualification as per DCI MCI. You can share your resume at army_c@rediffmail.com and the resume should reach before October 10th. I have provided the official website link here and address details here. Next, Tata Hospital has a job openings. They require billing assistance. Qualification is inter or degree. Pharmacist. Qualification is D pharmacy or B pharmacy. Nurses. Qualification is MPHW or GNM. It is located near Radhika Cineplex, ECIL, or Hyderabad. They provide the email ID. You can share your resume at the provided email ID. Next, there is a job opening at Harsha Hospitals. They require female DMO, female receptionist and pharmacist, female MLT. It is located at Vivekananda Nagar. You can have a look at the official website and address details are provided here. Next, there is a job opening at Hidaya College. They required mandatory of 5 years of experience as administration in junior college with excellent communication skills. They require lecturers in English, maths, physics, chemistry, botany, zoology. Candidates must be experienced in training students for NEET, JEE, MSET. So these are all the qualifications they are required, and you can share your resume at the given email ID, or you can contact on the given phone numbers. I have provided the official website link here. Next, there is a job opening at Stay In. This is a hotel. They require front office executive, housekeeping boys. You can contact on the given email ID, or you can contact on the given phone number. I have provided the official website link and address details here. Next, there is a job opening at Omega Degree College. They require ex-servicemen for Defense Colonel SSB coaching. Interested candidates can forward CV to given email ID, or you can contact on the given phone number. I have provided the official website link and other details here. Next, there is a job opening at Babu Khan Properties. They require admin with minimum of 5 years of experience in handling backend support like security, safety, utilities and maintenance, HR records, coordination, reports, inventory, etc. and require good communication skills and computer skills. You can share your resume at this email ID, and I have provided the official website link and address details here. Next, there is a job opening at Scholar School, and they have openings for nurse and librarian. It is a CBSE school located at Manikonda, Hyderabad. They require staff nurse. Qualification is BSc Nursing. Librarian qualification is Bachelor of Library Science, and the experience required is minimum 1 year. You can share your resume at the given email ID, and I have provided the official website and address details here. Next, there is a job opening at United Agro Engineering. They need stores back office with 3 to 5 years experience of tally billing, quotations, order processing and cash, bank and good skills. You can mail photo with biodata. That means resume with photo to the provided email ID, or you can contact on the given phone number. I have provided the official website link and address details here. Next, there is a job opening at Vanita College for Women. They wanted lecturers for the below subjects: English, Sanskrit, Hindi, Telugu, Arabic, zoology, chemistry, microbiology, statistics, biochemistry, commerce, computer science, physics, and mathematics. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can contact on the given address or phone number. I have provided the official website link here and the address details here. There is a job opening at WFM Technologies. They wanted immediate joining accounts executive with minimum 2 to 3 years of experience in accounting. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, and I have provided official website link here and the address details and phone numbers as well. Kiriti Soft Technologies is hiring for freshers customer support, .NET, male candidates only. Must be fluent in English, Hindi, Telugu. You can share your CV at provided email IDs, and I have also linked the official website and address details here. Next, there is a job opening at Vivek Build Tech. They have openings for accountant. It is a construction company located at Nagol. They need sound knowledge in Tally and 5 years of experience. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can contact on the given number. Next, there is a job opening at Electro Circuit Systems. They wanted technicians by Electro Circuit Systems, Malapur, Hyderabad, near to DRDL RCA. Knowledge on soldering of SMD, leaded electronic components, instruments and cable harness required. Qualifications required are ITI diploma, freshers with technical knowledge. Experience required 1 to 2 years they preferred, but they are still looking for freshers. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can contact on the given phone number. I have also included the official website link and address details. Next, there is a job opening at Howard Public School. They require trained graduate teachers for primary, social, English, middle and high school mathematics, science, physics with 3 years of experience. Interested candidates can mail their resume along with scanned certificates to the provided email ID. After virtual interview, selected candidates have to come to personal to give demo certificate verification. I have provided the website link and address details here. Next, there is a job opening at Almas International School, located at Tandur, Vikarabad district, and they have openings for different subjects like maths, English for high school. You can share your resume at the provided email ID or you can contact on the given phone numbers. Next, there is a job opening at Sunflower Vedic School. Um, they are actively hiring CBSE experienced teachers for English, Math, Science, EVS, computers in primary, middle, and high school. Interested candidates are requested to forward the resume to the provided email ID and the phone number. I have also included the official website link and address details here. Next, there is a job opening at Dev Synthesis India Private Limited. They have 15 positions for research associates. The qualification is MSc Organic Chemistry. Experience required 1 to 6 years of in a chemistry CRO. Anyone interested can share your resume at the provided email ID or you can directly walk into the provided address. I have also included the official website link and address details here. Next, there is a job opening at a factory. They require ITI Diploma Mechanical Electrical Engineer with minimum 3 years of experience for maintenance for textile auxiliaries unit at Kompalli. You can share your resume at the provided email ID or you can contact on the given phone number. Next, there is a job opening at Quick Power Industries India LLP. They are inviting smart, task-oriented, experienced and qualified accountants, supervisor, computer operator, MEIS, executives, marketing or sales and telecaller female, proficiency in English, Hindi and Telugu for a leading organization. So you can share the resume at hr@quickpower.com or you can contact on the given phone number. I have also provided the official website link and address details here. That's it for today guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. And I will be providing a video every week with job updates. So stay tuned. And if you have any queries or if you have any questions, you can ask in comments. Thank you so much for watching the video.